Hi guys, welcome to my latest project. I actually started this project at the end of last year, in end of December 22, and as you can see, the ceiling and the lights are already in, a new door is in, here a new door is in as well. And I removed the stairs which went up here and upstairs. That was one of the craziest jobs. And as you can see here, the foundation of the original stairs are still here. I already cut some of it off. The problem is this concrete is 40 years old, so really tough to break. So I'm using my trusty Bosch professional hammer, Bosch hammer, and drill first 12mm holes from the side into the concrete and from up down. And then I use the big construction hammer to break it in pieces. So I hope I can finish removing the concrete today. Then next week I should be able to start finishing the floor. I will put a liquid concrete in, a self-leveling liquid concrete to level out the floor and fill out all the gaps. And then at the end, after that I can finish the walls. As you see, I already started with drywall on this side till here. Then I have to get more drywall and finish here. Here I will just plaster, fill up the holes, plaster it, and then paint the whole place. And yeah, at the end a rock will be on the floor, and the room will be either a bedroom or for my brother, which is living in this apartment at the moment, or as his gaming room where he can put his PC and everything. So yeah, watch me breaking this concrete down. Hope I can finish it in this video. Have fun! Let me wear some ear protection. I don't know if it's visual or is it possible to see, but on each single hole I drilled from the side now, I reached iron. The reason why it's actually going through quite easy is because I'm using a special drill from Bosch. You get it in different diameters, you get it in different lengths. The most important thing is the tip here. I hope you can see it. The whole tip is made of one piece of tungsten carbide. It has 4 corners where it cuts, and it goes through iron quite fast. There's a similar drill to get from Hilti as well, for a little bit of higher cost, of course. This drill I use for about 200 holes in reinforced steel. I had exactly the same one before. I made 452 holes, if I counted it correctly, and then the tip broke off while I was just drilling through a 30 mm iron. And I was quite impressed by the ruggedity of the drill, so I bought a new one. I will put the link for the drill down in the description below, so you know where to get it. Yeah, let me continue. So right now I'm drilling some holes here, and here, just to make the concrete blocks smaller after they break, so I don't have to break them again. So as you can see, I drilled the whole length through 3 side lines to get it into 4 blocks. Now I'm going to use the biggest construction tool I have and hope it breaks fast and with not much effort. Let's see. Yes, that's exactly what we want. Can you see the dark color of the concrete? That means it's super hard, and that's why it breaks that hard. Here you can see where we drilled through. Which I drilled every single time. I'll give you a close-up then. Now my trusted 880 watt angle grinder. Easy peasy, like butter, frozen with a cold knife, but still like butter. I'll get the new disc cast. The problem is, these cutting discs are made for steel. So each time, like here, that I cut on the side into concrete, it wears down the disc very fast. See, this is the original size, and it worn down like this because of cutting into concrete. The discs are not made for that, but it still goes faster and cheaper than if I use a diamond disc. So I stay with it. It's a 1mm cutting disc for stainless steel and steel. Like butter. So here you can see the crossbar, which I drilled at every single hole. I hope it's sharp enough to see, but you can see the whole length. I drilled it. Sometimes I drilled under, sometimes above, sometimes both, and the drill never broke. The concrete around broke so that the drill was able to shift above or below, or we just went through completely. Yeah, and all with the same drill, and this drill is still like new. See, the tip is made of tungsten carbide, one of the hardest sinter metals you get. And it's used in a lot of machining tools. One of them are to drill in concrete. Some people, like me, use tungsten as their wedding band as well, because for me it symbolizes that my relationship can't even be scratched. Because even if I do like this on the concrete, there is not a single scratch on that ring. It's just simply too hard to scratch. And of course, here, where I just cut the iron, is a hard edge, and I managed to pierce my finger. So the reason why I'm freeing this one is now that I can cut through with one cutting disc without cutting too much into concrete. It's deeper than I thought. I think it's actually that edge where I cut myself, because that's just standing out perfectly. I even have to cut deeper than I started, because it has to be below level. Again, like butter. So, let me sweep a little bit and see if we are deep enough, but I think here we still have to break some points off. So we still have 3 points where we are too high, but that I will just cut down with the Bosch. Shouldn't take too long. Let's see. So, one more time the big boy. So, guys, that's it for today. 1 hour and 23 minutes video is enough. I'm quite out of breath. I managed to get the concrete away. I will clean it up after I stop this video. I hope you like such videos. Please comment under below and let me know if you like my walk. Sorry that I'm out of breath like this. The machine is heavy. Anyway, have a great day. Wish you all the best and enjoy more of my videos. Please follow my channel. Switch on the notification that you see when I post a new video. And thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.